guys. We jacked it up successfully. Back to the YouTube video. Oh, I see what you mean. Oh my god. Okay. Bro, she makes it look so easy. Oh my god, dude. Oh, holy cow. I feel like I'm gonna snap something. This is gonna be a pain getting on. Oh, now I'm getting my gloves caught. Get off, you sucker. Here. Ah, there we go. Oh, okay.
Then take the belt off of them.
Where are these imaginary bolts? There's one. What? Where's the other, bro? Well, I'm gonna stick my hand up somewhere until I find a bolt. Mine's different than this one, I swear. I think that was last replaced. The lady on the video for some reason said it would be hard to fit one here, but it seems like plenty of space to me.
Top, we have the, it's on
the... Come on, bro. Oh my god. Oh, bro. Oh, bro, thank God.